Alright, so what up, I'm Chris. That's Keem. We're in my kitchen and we're just looking at the random shit that's in my fridges. I have Our fridges. I have two fridges, fridge 1 and fridge 2. Now, I'm sorry, I'm really hungry. What the fuck is this? What is that?
Just flip the camera.
This is in my fucking refrigerator.
Oh, press the button again. No, not that button. Oh shit, you can't flip.
Told you. Freaky stuff. That's whoa. Then we got a half-eaten piece of bread in my fucking refrigerator. Some plátanos, some rice.
Some really nasty looking fruit. Mad fucking vegetables that we're not gonna eat.
I eat healthy. I don't know about him. He's fat. Look at him. He looks like Carrot Top.
What the fuck is this?
That's some nasty looking.
Some rice. Like, what the fuck? We have nothing else to go with this rice.
Yo.
Some Mexican ass paste or something. I don't know what the fuck this is. It's like Mexican paste. That shit is disgusting. Fucking mashed potatoes and shit. Fucking gross. Fucking who eats ricotta cheese?
Listen, my nigga, that is for
who?
Lasagna.
Who eats this?
I do.
Turn this on. Put this, like, who eats this? Come on.
I do it because I'm Italian.
A big ass onion. I don't even like onions.
You know what? You are very unhealthy.
An old ass apple. 2 old apples. A lime.
We got mad lines for those Coronas.
I was corny. Boop. Fucking mad butter and shit.
Why we have so much butter? I do not know.
Why we have so much cheese? Put the camera back there. What the fuck? Look how much cheese we have. Fucking ridiculous.
I just want another slice of pizza.
Fucking. Let me see the camera. Fucking light and fit yogurt. Who the fuck needs light and fit yogurt?
I do.
Who the fuck eats that?
I
don't eat it.
I do. This nigga's unhealthy.
Fucking Hungry Jack mashed potatoes in my refrigerator. Who put this in here? I don't know.
Not me.
Fucking kosher pickles without the fucking pickles inside of it. Like, take that out now. Like, get that out of here.
There's a pickle in there.
What else we got?
Vanilla yogurt.
Fucking vanilla yogurt. Who eats vanilla yogurt?
This guy. This guy.
Mad yeast packets and shit. Mad fucking yeast.
Your pussy better not have this.
Fuck this nigga.
We got mad boxes of muffins.
Mad empty fucking chocolate containers and shit.
We got mad muffins.
What the hell is this?
Caramel syrup.
Caramel, whatever you call it.
Mad muffins.
Like 5 boxes of muffins right here. All that.
We got some downstairs.
Some stale ass cereal. The cereal's stale as fuck. We got a cereal dispenser with fucking stale cereal.
And no cereal. Mad plates and bowls.
But we got cold pizza. They used to think cold pizza was nasty. Fucking blazing. I don't give a fuck.
Yummy. Look at film. Mad.
Nah, fuck that shit. Alright, this is my kitchen.
That's half of our kitchen. This is the other side of the kitchen. And we still got a pantry.
And my stove.
We cook so much shit on this.
In my living room, next to my kitchen. And my second fucking sink. Whatever, you can't see it. Second sink. And we out this shit. And like I said, we ain't got nothing in the refrigerator. Niggas is hungry.
All day.
I don't know what he just did with his fingers.
Oh, please.
Fuck this guy. Deuces.